Hello and welcome back to day number 2 of learning Who Else by Gateway Worship. Yesterday we learned how to sign verse 1 and verse 2, and today we're learning how to sign the chorus and the bridge. So as always, remember, I am left-handed. That means if you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, in the description, there is a link to print off lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Great news, guys. This chorus is so simple. So it starts with who else is worthy? Who? Okay, who? So you have it at your chin here and you make a question mark. Who else? Okay, almost imagine like the thumbs up here, and it's almost like a switch. You toggle off to the side. Else. Excuse me. Who else is worthy? Okay, so for that you have kind of your F hands. Start here with your pinkies together and bring them around. Worthy. So who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. Okay, no. So this, no one. No one. No one, and then only. So only, you start with your index finger out and you kind of flip it around. Only. So only you, Jesus. Nail pierced hands. And then it just repeats that, nice and simple. So who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. And that repeats. Who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. One more time before we move on. Sorry. Who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. Who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. That's the chorus, nice and simple. The bridge is a little more complicated, but I'm going to go and get a little drink of water and then we'll be back for the bridge. Okay, I'm back with some water. Now for the bridge. I'm going to need that water still. Okay, Lamb of God. So for that, you kind of shear your forearm. So you're kind of with scissors up and down your forearm. Lamb of God, be down the middle of your face, anointed. So I've seen a bunch of different signs for anointed over the years. Today, what I'm feeling like is you have your non-dominant fist like this. It's almost like you're pouring onto your fist. So anointed one, anointed person, who was and is to come. So who was in the past, now, and forever. So now you have those Y hands, you bring them down, and then forever, always, and then push out that Y. Okay, who was and is to come, seated. You're going to take your dominant hand, your index finger and your middle finger, and sit it down on those same fingers of your non-dominant hand. Seated on the throne. Okay, imagine you're sitting on a chair and you got those great armrests, the throne, and then above, so heaven. Roll those hands, heaven. Okay, and holy, holy. So H is holy, holy. Now righteous. Now righteous, there's two different options that I've seen too. So because we've just done holy, you might like just to switch that H for an R and do righteous like that. Okay, I've also seen it done like that. I really like it where it's like this, where you have your two index fingers. That's just kind of how I've been used to doing it. Righteous one, who, and then bled. Okay, so your fingers are kind of open and your dominant fingers that are moving up and down are also kind of wiggling. Bled. Who shed his blood, you proved. Okay, prove. prove to us the Father's, looking up to heaven, Father's love, and Jesus Christ. So Father is like this. Your fingers are open here at your forehead. Your thumb is touching your forehead. The Father's love. Jesus Christ, nail-pierced hands. Jesus Christ is a C. And then be lifted up, lift him up. And then again, holy, holy. And that repeats 3 times. So why don't we practice it a couple times? Okay, so Lamb of God, anointed one, who was and is to come, seated on the throne above, holy, holy, righteous one who shed his blood. You prove to us the Father's love. Jesus Christ, be lifted up, holy, holy. Let's do it one more time, and then we'll do the chorus and the bridge together. Okay, so Lamb of God, anointed one, who was and is to come, seated on the throne above, holy, holy. Okay, and then we have righteous one who shed his blood. You prove to us the Father's love. Jesus Christ, be lifted up, holy, holy. Okay, now let's do the chorus and the bridge together with first a little drink. Okay, so who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. Who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. And then we go into verse 2, but we learned that yesterday. So now we're going to go into that bridge. Lamb of God, anointed one, who was and is to come, seated on the throne above, holy, holy, righteous one who shed his blood. You prove to us the Father's love. Jesus Christ, be lifted up, holy, holy. Okay, practice that as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we walk through this song from start to finish. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.